Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you well. Feel free to use me as background noise, that is perfectly fine with me. This will be my first video on this channel and I want to outline the goal I have in mind. And that is recording my experience of learning to code in a variety of languages. I obviously don't have just one language that is interesting to me, but at the same time I understand that jumping from one language to another is basically just a waste of time and it would continuously keep me at a beginner level. So I will be focusing on one language at a time for a longer period before maybe integrating it to an existing project or starting something new. I will be doing all of this with no AI, okay? No vibe coding, no please fix this for me or implement this thing for me. Just me, the keyboard and my dying second monitor, where I will be keeping whatever documentation I'm using at the time. And the basic idea of my point of view on AI is that I don't want my abilities to be reliant on software that belongs to someone else. With AI, we are essentially outsourcing our brains, our thinking, to what I call an uncontrollable third party. I think humanity will suffer greatly because of this, by creating a new class of people who on paper are capable of doing a lot of things, but the reality is they are capable of writing simple instructions and an LLM is interpreting whatever they say and giving them a result, which in most cases is pure garbage. I do also understand that every tool has a purpose. I just don't think there are legitimate applications for these AI tools, other from being an enhanced search engine maybe. I do not really see the need to touch them. Obviously, you are free to have different opinions from mine. I am, surprisingly enough, open to other people's opinions. If you believe AI is the future, or you love AI and think I'm just stupid for doing this and not using it, you are of course free to leave your opinions down below in the comments. I am more than happy to foster a community which can disagree and grow together. My rules are obviously simple and straightforward. I will only be using official documentation, online examples, and any programming related books for my projects. All of these are acceptable. Using AI for any purpose related to making my project, however, is not allowed. It doesn't matter if it takes 10 hours longer to do this by hand. Making something yourself that is truly yours and yours alone is what makes us human in a way. The act of bringing something into the world which has never existed before, and I believe it's very special that we can do this. To reach a point where you start to love the process of doing something, to find joy in making something, that is probably the greatest satisfaction a human will ever get. And that's what I'm chasing. A love for the process, not for the result. But what do I know? I am a humble electrical engineering student who just wants to have some fun and also prove a point that yes, in 2026 you can learn something without AI. It's perfectly fine, it works, and I'm going to show you how I'm actually doing it. If of course you are interested in my journey, you want to improve my projects maybe, they will all be on GitHub after I'm done, or I don't know, you just want to make some fun of me because I'm stuck behind the times and cynical of AI, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed and like the video. I don't work in the industry, I haven't even finished my degree, so do not expect me to be some god level coder or a crazy entertainer. But I hope to inspire the people who believe themselves to be too stupid to actually do anything on their own or create something, not even in coding, in anything, because I want to be inspirational for anyone. I want these people to feel like, oh, if he can do it, I can do it as well. And even if one person is motivated by me and he starts a project and it doesn't really go anywhere maybe, or it does, it could go a long way. If all that I achieve with this channel is making one person want to try and reach for their goals, then that will be honestly enough for me. I don't want the glory, I don't want the crazy things. I just want to show people that they can indeed reach for their dreams and their goals and they can achieve them if only they tried. I hope very soon to upload a video explaining what language I will be learning first and of course what project I will be making first. It's going to be interesting, I believe, for a lot of people because the pick is rather controversial. I do expect some people to really love it and a lot of people to hate it, but such is life, you cannot please everyone. That is all I have to say. I hope you have a wonderful day.